I'm Debbie from thehomeofinteriors.co.uk, and this video is going to talk you through the Ashley Vivien metal curtain pole. So the Vivien metal curtain pole is a 28mm in diameter and is available in two colours. The Vivien curtain pole is available in an antique brass finish and a chrome, and the finials are solid glass that really reflect the light beautifully and are sure to create a wow factor at your window. The poles are available in three lengths: 180cm, a 240 and a 360. The 240 and 360 will be supplied in two pieces with a joining piece that goes inside the poles, and the centre bracket will be supplied with those pole lengths to conceal the join and support the join. The poles can be cut to size at home with a junior hacksaw, or we offer the cut to size service on our website. Please note the pole length that you request will exclude the finial, so the finial is extra length and the finial on this pole is 8cm in length. The brackets are extendable and they extend from 13 to 17 centimetres, so give room for adjustment if the walls aren't even, or if you have eyelet curtains, they'll take into consideration the folds on the eyelet, or if you wish for your curtain poles to sit further away from the wall and you've got a radiator underneath, the extendable brackets can be useful for that as well. The back plate on the bracket is 50mm in height, so if you are restricted for space, please do check the dimensions prior to purchase. The poles come as complete sets with the poles, the brackets, the rings and the finials. The rings are nylon lined for smooth and quiet operation. 28mm poles are ideal for eyelet curtains, so if you do require eyelet curtains, just take the rings off and then the pole is suitable for the eyelet heading type. The curtain poles are also suitable for pencil pleat curtains, so please do view our website for our range of Ashley eyelet and pencil pleat curtains. Or you could consider one of the Ashley fabrics that we can make into beautiful, perhaps double or triple pinch pleat curtains for you, or other heading styles if there's a fabric that you like that isn't available in the ready-made range. To complete the look, we offer a beautiful range of Ashley tie-backs on our website, and this is the stunning Selby tie-back, available in a variety of colours. The beautiful cut glass detail here really creates a stunning look, with some beautiful chrome detailing on the tie-back as well. And then we have the stunning Lorraine tie-back with the clear faceted board detailing, again available in a range of colours, and really it creates a stunning finish to your look. This is the classic rope tie-back, one of our best sellers, available in a wide range of colours, and it's just classic, simple, just does the job, and is a popular choice. And we also sell the tie-back hooks. And we also sell a range of the Ashley portfolio of wallpapers, ready-made curtains, bedding, fabric and paint as well. And in the paint portfolio there's a beautiful range of pastel tones through to richer hues and some warm neutrals through to the cooler greys. And we sell the sample paint pots, which we would recommend should you be considering one of the paint colours. Please get in touch if we can help pull your look together, or if you'd like any design ideas or inspiration. Please email sales@thehomeofinteriors.co.uk, or please call us on 01590 615 775 and we'd be delighted to help. We hope you found this video useful and informative. If you have, please do give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel to be kept up to date with new product news, product information and useful hints and tips. Thank you very much for watching.